Hello and welcome to the video walk around. My name is Christian and today we're going to be looking at a 2012 Nissan Rogue SL. This is a 5-passenger SUV in white pearl, and under the hood you'll find a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder driving on 18-inch wheels. Some of your great exterior features include your fog lights. We have the camera in the front by the Nissan emblem. We got one in the back and two under the side mirrors, providing you with that 360 bird's eye view. Some of the great features you'll find are your roof rails and a proximity smart key system, which allows for easy access. But now why don't we hop inside this Nissan Rogue and see what else it has to offer. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock button as well as our panic button. Like I mentioned, this Nissan Rogue does have a proximity smart key system. So if the vehicle is locked, you can unlock it by pressing this button right here. I'm going to take a look inside the door first. On the bottom, you have some storage space. Above it are your power windows and locks. Next to the door, you will find your power mirror button. This Nissan Rogue is equipped with black leather seating. On the bottom, you will find your power seating adjustment buttons. We're going to take a look on the left side of the steering wheel, as always. This button right here will allow you to navigate through any audio that's playing. Underneath, you'll find your voice recognition system along with your hands-free calling and your volume buttons. On the right, you have your cruise control settings. Before we move on to our entertainment screen, we're just going to look in the odometer real quick just to show you that this Rogue does have 151,672 kilometers on it. Now we can move on to our screen. Right now we are on FM. We can cycle through by pressing this AM and FM button. We can also go to USB and CD. This Nissan Rogue does also have navigation, which is nice and convenient. You can set your destination. If we go into reverse, we have that backup camera on the left side, and on the right we have that 360 bird's eye view. Can put that in park, and we can always access that camera by pressing this button right here. Underneath, you'll find your climate control system. Nice and simple. You got these nice smooth turning dials. Behind the shifter, you have your driver and passenger heated seats, and of course there's that camera button that I just mentioned. And we also have a sport drive mode, and of course we have the standard 2 cup holders and this nice little storage compartment. But before we open up the cargo, let's take a quick look in the back. Continuing with the black leather seating. If you look inside behind the front passenger and driver's seat, we do have these pockets for some extra storage space. And these seats do fold down. We just got to pull this up, giving you access to your cargo. To open up, all we got to do is press the button right underneath here. Taking a look inside, there's plenty of cargo space in the back of this Nissan Rogue. Of course, like I mentioned, the rear passenger seats do fold down, and that'll give you some extra bit of cargo space. And if we look underneath here, you will find your spare tire in case one ever goes out on you. Close up, we got this handle in the top right corner. Just give that a gentle push. Taking a last look at our 2012 Nissan Rogue SL. Once again, some of those great interior features include your hands-free calling, navigation, and heated seats. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.